Mary, I have got two fishes. What? Only two fish? I need more. Today I bought apples for it. I think she will be happy. Mary, Mary, yes, Peter. Apples for you. Oh no! Today I am not in a mind to eat apples. I like to eat cherries. Oh no! I did not make me very happy. What to do? We went to catfish. We waited for hours, but nothing had been caught at all. நீ பேசா ட்ரை பண்ணி விட்டுறலாம். How long to wait? Please help me. It is time. I would not left it. Say she will be big fish. Maybe she will be happy. Leave me, please leave me. What is this? The fish is talking. What is miracle? Peter, leave me, Peter. How do you know my name? I am not a normal fish. I am an angel fish. I know everything. I will know. Taste good also. Please help me, Peter. Don't worry, angel fish. I won't kill you. Thank you, Peter. I will help you at any time. Call me. Now I am leaving. Mary. Yes, please. What? Where is the fish? No fish today, but I have an interesting story for you.
Peter narrates the whole incident to his wife. His wife got a plan to become rich.
Oh, really? You gone there for a beautiful palace. Oh, no, Mary. I went as per you. You gone there for a beautiful palace. Otherwise, don't come home. Okay, Mary.
Peter sadly went to the seashore and called the angelfish.
Angelfish, can you hear me?
Yes, Peter. What can I do for you?
My wife wants beautiful palace.
Go back. She already heard it.
Thank you, Angelfish. Hey, maybe she will be happy.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, Angelfish.
He went with joy. His wife stand in the beautiful palace.
La. Wow, it is beautiful palace. Mary. Don't call me Mary. Call me Queen. Okay, Queen. Are you happy now?
Yeah, a little bit.
What? Only little bit?
Yeah,
But what bet?
I won't become the Almighty.
It's impossible, Mary.
Yes, I should control the world.
It's impossible, Mary.
You go and ask, otherwise don't come home.
Okay, Mary. Angelfish.
Peter, what can I do for you?
My wife wants to become your almighty.
What? Are you sure? Which your wish?
Please, Angelfish.
Your wish cannot be undo. Think and take.
Please do it for me.
Okay, as your wish.
Thank you, Angelfish.
Okay, bye.
Mary. Mary, யாராச்சும் பாத்தீங்களா?
इधर माँ हर तीड़ा उनके मला स्टार्ट करते
Angelfish, can you hear me?
What, Peter?
My wife's nowhere.
Yes, Peter, all matter cannot seen by normal people. She will invisible.
Find my wife. I want my wife back.
This is the final wish. You go back.
Thanks, Angelfish.
Okay, bye bye.
अपने
Mary!
Thank you for saving me. I don't need anything in the world. I will be happy. I have.
Good Mary, we will back.
no
Moral of the story. Greedy loses everything.
Greedy loses everything. Parasite.
Terrorism.
Alan sing the drama. Thank you. Adani la work photo. அது drama நிக்க
குத்துட்டு நானோ நான்